Want to see the start? Yep, this was the starting point. My acrylic application wasn't perfect today. It looked bumpy, uneven, and honestly, a little rough. But don't panic, this is totally fixable. Now that the surface is smooth, creating the design becomes so much easier. I'm adding a soft pink ombre and I will finish it with a simple daisy design. And here's the final result. Perfect. No, beautiful. Yes. Thanks for watching.